We've been taught in school that Cristoforo Colombo, discovered America in 1492. But is this a lie? Evidence shows that Columbus knew of the Muslim interaction with the New World. Muslim geographers were excellent at creating very detailed and accurate maps. Columbus studied them. There was Al-Masudi, Al-Idrisi, Ibn Battuta, Ibn Khaldun, Ibn Majid, Piri Reis, and so many more Muslim geographers. Al-Masudi wrote about voyages from Al-Andalus to the New World. Another voyage in 999 was by Ibn Farrukh in Granada. Another excursion was recorded in the 1100s by Al-Idrisi. Columbus had read the book of Roger Bacon before his first voyage. The book had Arabic resources giving geographical regions of America. Columbus hired two Moroccan Muslim captains, the Pinzon brothers, who were in charge of the Nina and Pinta ships, and he relied on them to help with the Santa Maria. He hired them despite the criticism from the Spanish crown, who despised Muslims. Many people on his voyages were Morescos, who ran away when they got on land. When Columbus wrote about his voyages to Americas, he wrote about seeing a masjid or mosque on a hill in Cuba with Quranic inscriptions. He wrote about the natives of present-day Haiti, and they talked about how black people came to the land carrying spears of metal called guanin, which is a Mandinka word for gold. Ghina means wealth in Arabic. Very wealthy Mandinka Muslims from West Africa had traveled to the Americas before Columbus in the 1300s. They intermarried with natives and left behind writings and inscriptions. Dr. Barry Felt researched the arrival of Islam in America. He says as early as the 7th century, possibly during the era of Caliph Uthman. Through archaeological diggings in Western America, writings, drawings, and charts show evidence of a Muslim presence. Let's take a look at some of them. This inscription says, "In the name of God." It was found on a rock in Nevada, and it's from the 7th century. It's written in a Kufic-style Arabic script, which is very specific to that time period. This says, "Muhammad, the Prophet of God," also in Kufic Arabic. This inscription says 5 diamonds are equal to an alif in North African Arabic style. These inscriptions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him's name, are preserved at the University of California. Now, if you look at A on the top left-hand corner, that one was found in the 8th to 9th century in Morocco. Now look at B. That one was found on an inscription in the East Walker River. The one you see, C, that was found in Nevada, also D, Nevada. F was found in Morocco, G in Libya, and H was found in Cottonwood Canyon. This Kufic writing was found in 1951 in Benton, Nevada. It says Shaitan Mahamayan, the devil is the source of all lies. This says Hamid in Kufic Arabic letters found in rocks in Nevada. In 1787, these Samarkand dirham or coins from the 7th to 8th century were found in Massachusetts. And it says La ilaha illallah Muhammadan Rasulullah. And look at the architectural similarities between 9th century Berber houses in Morocco and houses built in New Mexico. You can't deny the similarities. Professor Cyrus Thomas of the Smithsonian Institute research shows that a small cabin built from piles of rock found in Ellenville, New York, is the same rock cabin found in Aqaba, Southern Arabia, from the 8th century. Indigenous people lived in Americas for thousands of years. But what schools don't teach us is that Muslims were in Americas 700 years before Columbus. They introduced different trades to the natives, and the natives learned to communicate in Arabic. Muslims interacted and intermarried with natives and influenced their dress, their traditions, and their customs. Ask yourself why so many cities in North America have Muslim names. Words like sheriff and mayor. Why at least 15 Native American tribes have Arabic roots. Even with all of this evidence, Columbus is still credited with discovering Americas. Christopher Columbus had studied Muslim maps and hired Muslim captains for his first voyage. So tell me, what do you guys think? Why do you think schools ignore this information?